Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. What do you do when people don't pay? You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. So what do you do when people don't pay? Hey, it happens. It happens on eBay. It happens on my fire sales. It happens everywhere. Okay, so it's going to happen to you. If you sell anything, it's going to happen to you. There's many different ways that you can respond, like... Ah! 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 So instead of that, take a deep breath. You can make a plan, get your thoughts together, or you might end up, that's it, everybody hates me, I'm done. I'm done with this. I'm done. I'm so done. Never gonna do this again. Hey, be professional. You don't want to start swearing or cussing at someone. You don't want to start using terminology that doesn't sound like you have a brain in your head, okay? You definitely want to be professional. Remember, a lot of the platforms that you have, a lot of problem solving can occur just by that person's administrator, like eBay or Amazon, reading those back and forth emails, letting you understand that you're trying to help the customer, not hurt the customer. And so you definitely don't want to be unprofessional in that. Make sure you don't. I'm fine. I'm fine. It's gonna be fine. Just a little ice cream will help. It's gonna be fine. It's just a little bit. It's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be all right. Just a little bit more. I just need some. This will help. This will really help. You've got to be knowledgeable about the sites that you're selling on. So make sure you're following the selling site's policy. So know, do they have a return policy? You know, are they going to refund the person? Make sure you're knowledgeable about what that particular selling site is doing, because you don't want to act like Hey, remind yourself that your customer is human. Sometimes they just simply forget. So sending reminders is always a good thing to do. Even on my fire sales, there are a lot of customers that just haven't paid right away, or it's been 3 or 4 days, and I'm like, hey, just an FYI, you haven't paid your invoice, and I will resend that invoice to them or send them a reminder email that they have not yet paid for the item. Also include in that some information on what the next steps are if they don't pay for the item. I will put your item for sale to someone else, things like that. And then finally, if they don't pay, and it happens to all of us, you can just simply relist the item. But make sure you're aware of all of these things that we talked about and that you're giving the customer the benefit of the doubt so that you don't end up with this situation. Never gonna do this again. So what do you do when people don't pay? Don't panic. It happens to all of us. And if I can be of any help, you can always contact me at hookedonpickin.com, sign up for a consultation call, look for some of my reseller helps there. I've been doing lots of reselling and I've had lots of people not pay. So it's definitely happened to me. So hopefully I can be a help to you and these tips will help as well. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, if you have never perused all the fun things I have for sale on my websites, check out Poshmark, eBay, Hooked on Pickin, and many other sites that I have listed in the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.